Hello, everybody. How are you? I think we are all well and good at your health. Today's activity, how to make a sentence. Yes, today's activity, how to make a sentence. Why we have make a sentence? Why we have learned to make a sentence? Because sentence is a most vital part of any of our syllabus. If we doesn't learn if we do not learn sentence, then we can't speak or communicate anyone or communicate to ourselves. Okay, today's activity, how to make a sentence. Every sentence depends on tense. Repeat it again. Every sentences depend on tense. Today's activity, how to make a sentence, depend on present and definite. First sentence depend on present indefinite, present indefinite or simple present. Today I do not know. Today I don't know what is present, or I do not need to know what is present indefinite and its structure. Okay, we all know the structure of present indefinite tense is subject plus verb s oblique is plus object. At first, we make a box or we make a table. Let's see. Let's see. The structure of present indefinite tense is subject plus verb s or es plus object. That is the structure of present indefinite tense. Now, today we are gonna to share or read this is the subject and this is P for positive or affirmative, and for negative, PI for positive interrogative, and NI for negative interrogative. And first we write down the subjects. When we are going to weld a sentence, then we depend on those subjects which I write down on the board. Please look at. I okay. This is the structure of present indefinite tense. Um, which helps us to make a sentence in day-to-day life, to build a small sentence to which is helps us a lot. Okay, this is the structure of present indefinite tense. The table is the structure of present indefinite tense. Repeated it again. This is the structure, whole structure of present indefinite tense, and um, how to make sentence. To use this or to apply the structure on the specific subject, on this specific subject, these subjects are I, we, you, they, he, she, it, and Ram. These are the functions of the any sentences of any sentence. The P for positive means these functions we called affirmative also. N for negative, PI for positive interrogative or affirmative interrogative, and NI for negative interrogative. Okay. In these functions or in this table, we learn it a we learn it a trick how to make small sentences in our day-to-day life. These are the few subjects. This video, I think this video will helps us a lot. I we can't make a sentence. We can make a sentence without verb. We make a sentence without subject also, but we can't make a sentence without verb. Whenever you do not put the verb in a sentence, the sentence is also senseless. I write down a sentence. I rise is also a sentence or not? Yes, is also not a sentence because there is lack of verb also. There is lack of verb. When we put down I eat rice, this is a correct also. This is a correct sentence also. Okay, now let's see. These are the subjects. Whenever you make the sentence using the subjects, these subjects also works out in every sentences. Without these subjects, no other subjects are available or are um, available in grammar also. These subjects, okay, one by one I discuss. Positive or affirmative also. Suppose I put down a verb for play. Okay, play. I write down on the board play. Okay. Let's see. I play. If I extend the sentence, I play football. In negative, I do not play. If I extend the sentence, I don't or I do not play football. This is the positive interrogative. Okay. Do I play? If I extend, do I play football? In negative interrogative. Do not I play? If I extend the sentence, do not I play football? Okay. Next we next I skip the another one. We play football. Or If I do not extend, we play. We do not play. If I extend, we don't play football, or we do not play football. Do we play? If I extend, do I play football? Some here. Do not we play. If I extend, do not we play football. You. Skip another subject. You. You play. If I extend, you play football. You do not play. If I extend, you do not play football. Do you play? If I extend, do you play football? The next one is, do not you play? If I extend, do not you play? Okay. Let's give another subject. They. They play. If I extend, they play football. Next one is, they do not play, or they don't play. If I extend, they do not play football. Next one is positive interrogative or affirmative interrogative. Do they play? If I extend, do they play football? Don't play football. Do not I extend, don't they play? Or don't they play football? If I extend this sentence. These are the 4 subjects, and their structure is also same. In affirmative or positive, in negative, in affirmative interrogative or positive interrogative, and in negative interrogative. These are the same structure which is belong to the 4 subjects. Next, I discuss the last 4 subjects. He also. He. Let's see. The subject is he, and the affirmative structure is subject plus V1 S or ES in bracket plus object. Okay. He, the verb is play. He play or plays? What is right? He plays. Yes. He plays. He plays. If I extend, he plays football. If he plays volleyball, he plays cricket. He plays table tennis. He plays chess. Yes. And the next one is negative. He doesn't play. He doesn't play. Why we put down doesn't? Because when we do negative, the sentence structure is that. It serves like the structure also. And there is a V1 form also. He plays. Here, he doesn't play, or he doesn't play. If I extend, he doesn't play football, he doesn't play cricket, he doesn't play volleyball, he doesn't play chess, etc. etc. Whatever you can do. He does he play? Does he play? If I extend, you also extend this sentence. Does he play football? Does he play cricket? Does he play table tennis? Does he play chess? Etc. etc. Whatever you can do. And the negative one is doesn't. Doesn't he play? Or doesn't? Or does not he play? If you or if I extend this sentence, doesn't he play football? Doesn't he play table tennis? Doesn't he play? Mind it, doesn't he play cricket? Etc. etc. And C also like that the above structure. C also. C plays. If I extend, she plays table tennis. She plays volleyball. She plays badminton. She plays chess, etc. etc. She doesn't play. And the negative is she doesn't play. She doesn't, if I extend, she doesn't play football, she doesn't play volleyball, etc. etc. And the positive interrogative, does she play volleyball? If I don't extend, does she play? Does she play? Or doesn't, sorry, does she play chess? And the negative interrogative, then, doesn't she play? If I extend or if you extend, doesn't she play volleyball? Doesn't she play football, etc. Whatever. And the next one is it. It plays. It plays. It plays. If I extend, it plays football. If it plays cricket, etc. etc. It doesn't play. It doesn't play. The next one is it doesn't play. Okay. It doesn't play football. If I extend, it doesn't play chess, etc. etc. Does it play? Does it play? Does it play? If I extend the sentence, does it play chess? Does it play cricket? Etc. And the next negative interrogative also, doesn't it play? Doesn't it play? If I extend, doesn't it play volleyball? Doesn't it play football? Etc. etc. Whatever you can do. And the next, the last subject is Ram. Why I mentioned Ram? This is an imagining name also, or nothing else. This is an imagining name, or nothing else. You can put down you can put down any name which is mentioned in the below. If any name, you can put down. Okay. Ram plays. Ram. If I extend, Ram plays cricket. Negative. Ram doesn't play. If I extend, Ram doesn't play volleyball. Positive interrogative. Does Ram play? Does Ram play? If I extend, or if you also extend this sentence, does Ram play chess? And the next, the next four subject, the structure is same, but there is a one structure is different from the others. Why? Because when we put down the Ram, the does put down, sorry, not put down after the subject. Okay, not put down after the subject. Does and not. In its middle position, subjects is there. Subjects is there. Okay. So, does Ram not play? Does Ram not play? Or if I extend, does Ram not play table tennis? Does Ram not play table tennis? It's your turn. I can I give you another verb form. Verb forms like go, like eat, like eat, etc. Using this verb, build or make a sentence through this structure. Okay, using these verb forms to make a sentence through this structure. I think this video helps us a lot. It is a table, so it is easy to learn from all of them. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye bye.